Well, hello everyone, this is SDM Craft, and in today's video I'm going to give you and tutorial for create mod. This is the second video on it, so let's get into it. First, in the previous video I showed you the most important thing, the andesite alloy creation. Power sources like water wheel, large water wheel, and windmill, and also um, very important things like mechanical press and mechanical mixers, along with RPM and SUs. In today's video, I will show you the next step. Before I do that, I will first show you uh, how to somewhat uh, make your life easier. Creative mode, uh, lava, water, or campfire. In create mode, you can automate this. Make sure that this is blowing air, not once like this. It will suck the air back in, uh, and here it will push the air out. And remember, the speed of uh, smelting cooking doesn't depend on the speed of the rotation, because it only changes how far it will go. It is going about here, and now there. It won't change the speed that it cooks or smelts or whatever. uh, you can change this with lava to smelt ores, raw, and remember, if you have multiple items on it, it will take longer, but if you have one, it will take less time. And having multiple uh, fans, mechanical fans, blowing on it will increase the speed. And you can also turn it into a washer to wash stuff first, which I would get into it, but first let me show you how to make it. Now, to make it, you need shaft, underside casing, and a propeller, which is made from iron sheet, which I showed you in the last video. Check that out. And now, for the next step, kelp. To advance in more, you have to get kelp in the ocean biome, cook it, and get uh, dried kelp. With this and an andesite alloy, crafting table, you get andesite funnel. And this is useful for a lot of stuff, uh, mostly automation, but uh, Dried kelp can also be, I just put it, crafting. Yes, mechanical belt. Uh, Also get shaft. Gets a storage item. I will just use a barrel. Uh, I will put it here. Yeah, like this. You don't have to make it this long. Uh, it depends entirely on your setup. Belt, and remember it does get consumed. Since I'm in creative, it doesn't do that. You can uh, just simply put anything on it, and remember you need rotational force motor, like this. Now it puts one by one. If you're using the andesite funnel, there's also brass funnel which I'll show how to make. But you can also uh, press iron. It will stop, so you don't have to worry about the speed, but it will get clocked if you have a lower speed in this than this. If you have faster mechanical press and then the belt, it is completely fine. You can also fans, chain drive, lava, the chain drive is made with one andesite casing and 3 iron nuggets. I recommend that you make this one a little longer, uh, but since I am only using an andesite funnel, it will uh, uh, channel items one by one. In case chain drive, motors, raw, this will take too long, so I will put 16. It will slowly cook, smelt the iron. Yes, it is just long enough. And this is the most basic things. And if you just want to don't want to do it like this, I can you can also check this, but it doesn't show you how to make it or other things. So then that's the thing. There is also a millstone. uh, so I should show you, yes, I should, how to make brass. To make brass you would need uh, copper and zinc or iron, and you need zinc. I think it was iron too, but what, zinc. It needs to be heated, meaning you need a blaze burner. When crafting you would have the empty blaze burner with 4 iron sheet and 1 netherrack to get 1 blaze into it in just more. One second. Okay, and just oh, difficulty no, and right click. You have a blaze burner with a blaze inside. Just put it down or into the ground. Basin would go on top, and a mechanical mixer, and you would also have to power it with cogwheels and all. You need 32 rpm, zinc, and it needs to be heated. So use any fuel source like coal, uh, wood, charcoal, anything like that. I'll just use coal and right click. It will superheat and start making the brass, which is very important to progress in the game. Right now I have 12, and let's keep it. Now this is good and all, but if you want to make things like what should I rotational speed controller, mechanical crafter, sequence gear shift, mechanical arm, uh, which I will show in the later video, brass funnel, which I should show, works similar to the regular funnel, but a filter can be added and the amount of items can also be changed to if you want to just add something like this, you can do it. or use a filter, a list filter or a attribute filter. Uh, this one can be made with iron nuggets, 2 iron nuggets and 1 wool. Uh, if you have uh, just enough item mod, you can simply pull it from there, and you can deny the items or allow it. Right now it's the allow it. Respect data, ignore data, durability and NBT data, which and now if I put or I have put in this gold, so this which is not getting put on it, and this which sends just fine, and if you don't select anything then it will just throw the whole stack. You don't need brass funnel here unless you are trying to filter it, and there are multiple one here, and you need to choose where it goes. You should use the brass funnel unless it doesn't need it. Now for steam engines, I keep forgetting. Wait, I didn't show you how to make. Yes, uh, important things like the wrench and engineer's goggle. This is made with gold sheets, one cogwheel and a stick. This is made with two glass, one gold sheet and a string. This wrench or engineering goggle is useful because you can see things like how much stress. Without it you cannot, and how much item is there, that you can also use the wrench to change the axis, or shift right click to break it entirely. And remember, creative items won't drop, or yes, when you're in creative the stuff won't drop, but survival, it will go directly into your inventory. uh, Now I will show you how to make steam engines. You need copper tanks, no fluid, I can type fluid tanks. If you do not have a blaze burner, you can use campfire and a steam engine. Fluid pipes and a pump, you would need that. If you're making it in early stages, you don't have to make it a huge. Size is okay, heat is okay. You can also increase it but it would require more heat. It can be made in 3 by 3. I am making it 2 by 2, and this is make a infinite water source. uh, and you need a shaft for like this, because it doesn't extend like that. You can just hook this up to the pump, but I recommend doing it separately, because it if it stops, because if you're using blaze burners and they lose their fuel source, it would just shut down the water. Wait. Yes, it started. And blaze burners can run out of fuel, and then it will stop until you start it manually. So I can recommend using a separate water source. And if you have made this and want to make it more advanced, uh, you should use blaze burners. Obviously I was just saying it. You can make it 3 by 3, which I would do. uh, Blaze cake, I am using the creative version. Regular blaze cake can make it like this. I am just doing it like this. Fluid tanks, 3 by 3, and steam engine. You can see this is a very high what should I say, size steam engine. And now you don't have to change anything here, but I recommend you increase the speed. uh, or you can use multiple water sources. One second. I'll just I'm using 2, and make sure the speed is good to provide sufficient water, or it won't utilize its full potential. This is a level 3. steam engine, and providing uh, the heat is good. You can increase the size. Now the water, if you just, I'll make it max. One 28 should, like this. And the number of levels determines the number of steam engines you have to put in. uh, Chain, and stressometer. Now it has 100,000, 147,456 SUs, which is great. This is mid game setup. If you're using superheated blaze burners, then it would be way higher for end game because they are not cheap. Blaze, uh, you first have to make the base with cinder flour, egg, then lava. Now this is good. I have showed you a lot for these video. I will show you more in the next video. Till then, bye bye.